G'day ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and everyone in between. Welcome to howtoplaythesax.com, where we are all about having fun, playing saxophone, being awesome and repeating. Now, I would like to go back. I'd like to go back to the 1980s. 1980s, big shoulder pads, puffy pants, you know, kind of strange hair, but you know, all years, all decades, all eras have strange hair. Katrina and the Waves, 1980s, Katrina and the Waves. Walking on Sunshine. Katrina and the Waves, they were a bit of a one-hit wonder. They were a British band. Their film clips based in London. They had a one hit, their big hit. It was a huge hit called Walking on Sunshine. Walking on Sunshine by Katrina and the Waves. Had a great brass part in it. Lots of trumpets and there were saxophones and trombones and all that kind of thing. But it sounds really good on our saxophones. On our alto saxophones in this lesson, Katrina and the Waves, Walking on Sunshine. So just have a quick listen, just have a listen. This is what we're going to do in this lesson, the brass parts. Brass parts on our alto saxophone. It sounds like this. Dun, dun, and again. Yeah, it repeats. It's fairly simple. It's a really quick song, but again, let's slow it down. Let's break it down into its components. The first note is a G. That's it. Bow. It's a big brass stab. Bow. It's a G. 1, 2, 3, and the register key on our alto saxophones. It's a G. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Bow. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Bow. G. Let's do that. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, a 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. There's the first bit. It's a G. It's one note. You'll get it. The second kind of line, there's 3 lines. First one's a G. Second one is a whole heap of E's. And the third one we'll come to in a minute. So the second line of our 3 little lines. First line is bow, and that's it. Second line, ba 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 ba. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 E's on our alto saxophone. So E, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That is our E, E and register key with the thumb at the back. Ba 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 ba. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. Okay, let's put those E's together with the G. Just have a listen. Just have a listen. This is what we're going to do now. Bow. Ba ba da ba. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. So G, E, 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 E. Let's slow it down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. And again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you get the idea. We're building on it. We're putting it together. Now, the last line. We've done the first line. It's a G. We've added the second line. It's 4 E's. Okay, now let's add in the third line. We've got F sharps. So F sharps, 1, 2, 3, and the middle finger here on our right hand. Middle finger F sharp and the register key as well. So we've got 5 F sharps, then an F, then an E. Yeah, so this third line, we've got 5 F sharps, an F, and an E. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, da-da. F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F, E. Join in with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Again, you get the idea. This is good, this is good. And that's it. That's the brass line. That's the brass line. Katrina and the Waves, Walking on Sunshine. So let's play it slowly first. We'll slow it down with Katrina and the Waves. We'll slow it down and then we'll play it at real speed. Okay, let's hold that thought. Let's give it a go. Are you ready? 2, 3, ready. 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4, scream now. And again. Cool. Let's do it at full speed. Let's do it at full speed. I'll put that back to the proper speed. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's do it again. Bit faster. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. Cool. Okay, let's play it at full speed with Katrina and the Waves. We're in the middle of the song. We'll just listen to the chorus and then we'll come in with the brass a little bit. Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. Sunshine, whoa, I'm walking on sunshine, whoa. Ready? On our G. Ready? Ready, set, now. And again. Last time. Yeah! All right, Katrina and the Waves. We can keep playing like we did just then, like I did just then. Just play, just have fun, just play saxophone, just be awesome, and then repeat. And like we did at the end there, we repeated and I got a little bit carried away. I put in a few extra notes because I could, and I encourage you to do the same. Make something up, play some more notes, and if you like those notes, play them again, and if you don't like them, don't play them again. It's very simple. Thank you. I will see you in another lesson at howtoplaythesax.com. My name's Matthew. I'll see you in another lesson. Thank you. See you next time. Rock and roll. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone in between. Thanks heap for joining me in this free saxophone lesson. Please, just want to remind you, if you are looking for the full lesson, we've left a little bit out of this lesson you've just done. If you're looking for the full lesson, please become a member at howtoplaythesax.com, and I'll see you inside the members area for this full lesson and many, many, many others. I'll see you at howtoplaythesax.com. My name is Matthew. Thank you. I'll see you in another lesson.